So fuck it, I don't think we need a battery. Alright guys, so this is the new beast, an AG200 Yamaha. Got given it by a friend. Got a little 6-volt battery for the thing. It's a 6-volt system. Check the fuse in here. It looks original, but fine. Pull that off and then open it up. It's all good. Plugged the battery in and got basically, I think, the tiniest sound out of the horn. So probably, I'm guessing like a bad earth maybe somewhere. So let's check first the battery actually has charge. I just put it back in the box and I got my little charger thing, so let's have a look. And of course this has no battery charge either. Fantastic. So fuck it, I don't think we need a battery to get spark on this, so we'll do a bit of a blind experiment. Take the spark plug out, kick it over. Alright, just used my 3/4 spanner socket, which is completely the wrong size because I'm presuming this is metric because it's Japanese, because it ain't the standard spark plug sizes anyway. So let's have a look. What's that actually look like? Black and wet. Totally wet. Oily. Very oily. Great. Well, who knows that? Fuck. Oh well. Let's see if we got spark. Alright, so plug and the cap connection, although I can't quite get it on there at the moment, is very loose. So that's far from ideal. And it's falling apart in my hands. But let's kick it and see. She's got spark, I just saw it. Alright, well she's got spark, that's great. Fuck it, then all we really need is to give it fuel. Which I haven't got any. So do we have any fuel? Moment of truth. I'm watching all this through the camera, so I can't really see properly. But no, it sounds dry as bone, but it looks really good in there. I don't reckon this bike has had much use at all though. Can't see any rust in the tank, which is amazing. It's got wax in there or something. It's got some kind of, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's been protected. I don't know. So no fuel whatsoever. Alright, well, we've got spark, so if the timing's right, seems to be compression, all we need is put fuel in it and see what happens. Be nice to clean the carb out too, I suppose, but yeah. And then we've got to work out the electrical system because we've got no lights when we put the battery on, and the horn goes Probably just a bad earth or something, I don't know, maybe the battery's dead, that should be new. So anyway, keep up to date, like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Alright, little bonus video. We're going to need grips, we're going to need globes, the indicators, fix the electrical, take this box off. As beautiful as it is, as matching as it is, we might keep it, you know. I might just put it back on at the end, but I think it needs to go for now. And we might just give it a bath at WD-40. Looks like it could do with it. I love WD-40. Looks better already.